Hello, welcome to the Jersey Gardener. We're standing here in the enchanted garden, as you know from previous videos. This is our little peaceful area of the garden, and we're just going to talk a little bit about the younger generation that is getting into gardening, and we have a special guest on this video, Stella the farmer, and we'll welcome her to her debut on YouTube. So pick it up, Stella.
Hi, I'm Gabby. I'm outside right now, and this is video 1. And I'm going to show you my garden in the next video, right there. And I'm being Farmer Stella, and I'm growing carrots and a bunch of other plants and sunflowers right here, and they've already done so much growing. Can't you believe that? Right there. It's very amazing, but it's so hot in Texas. I love you very much, and tell Uncle Justin that I'm being Farmer Stella. Video 2. This is the roses. That's my rock collection right there. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rocks. I have 6 carrots right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another rose bush. 2 rose bushes so far. 1 pepper plant. 1 cucumber plant. Under there, right there, you could see the basil. And this is the tomato that's taking up so much room. And as you can see right there, there are little blossoms for the tomatoes. And I am really excited for the tomatoes to sprout because I love tomatoes. Then there are some pretty flowers I don't know the name of. That's the cucumber plant right there. Right there. Now, right here is another rose bush. That's a marigold. Another marigold. Another over there. Right there. And then a few more down here. See that? That one is another pretty flower I don't know the name of. And that right there is a marigold. Most of these are going to start sprouting soon. And this is a flower with pretty leaves. You can see right there, there are some holes. And I also have another rose bush. Also takes up a lot of room. And I'm going to go inside and I'm going to show you my bean plant. Oh, there's Ace Man and Truffles and Levi Monster and Linebug. Say hi, Linebug. Linebug. No, you don't want to say hi? We have a screen in front of our door because all of the bugs are coming in. And I'll make a separate video inside to show you the bean plant. Hello again, video 3, and this right here is my bean plant. That part used to be the bean shell, and now it's falling apart, and that's where it starts, and it goes up the leaves, up more, and then more leaves. My garden is doing pretty well. I am getting a flower up there. I don't know if you could see or not. And I'm also getting one right here. My rose bushes are growing. Not very much. I saved my pink plant and my basil. They were about to die from this other cucumber plant. This is the pink plant. this over there, don't know if you could see very well, but right there is my basil plant. My pepper plant is right over here. And this is my gigantic cucumber plant. I have a cucumber growing over here. And I have a pretty large one over here. Don't know if you can see. My marigolds have turned into literally bushes. I have another marigold rose bush back there. I have a lot of tomatoes. Some of them are not going to make it because they're close to the ground and bugs are eating them. And those leaves are doing pretty well too. A few more have grown. This is all the other rose bushes. Over here are my carrots. I'll show you one of them. Here's a good one. Those are my carrots, so they're probably going to be ready to pick by the end of the month. And they'll be fully mature by then. I love you. Bye. Make sure to show Farmer Justin this video.
Wow, that was a really interesting video, Stella. We really enjoyed it a lot. I'm sure the viewers on YouTube land will really enjoy it also. So we encourage other youngsters to get into it. It's really fun, and it's something that's practical, and everybody gets to enjoy the great outdoors and learning and growing and doing things together. So thanks again, Stella. Bye.